Check out this adorable lady cat. We'll sketch her from just these two shapes. How neat is that? I am so excited that you could join me again today on this awesome journey. Let's start simple, as always. And with every pencil line, we'll create something magical. Just from that look she's giving, we can already tell she's going to be a delightful little charmer, with a personality as sparkling as her gaze. With each pencil line, our magic will unfold, bringing to life stories and dreams to behold. With a flick of her tail and a playful pat, meet our adorable, cute little lady cat. She'll light up your heart with her purr and her grace, adding a touch of magic to every single space. Just look at that irresistibly cute gaze and that sassy flair. So, what do you think our gorgeous little lady cat should be called? Our little star is definitely ready for a name as fabulous as she is. Let's pop on that tail and sprinkle on the sparkle. Our fabulous lady's about to dazzle and twirl like a true star. And you know, we're totally ready for that marker. So, let's do this. We're in marker mode. No time to rest, turning pencil lines into our very best. What would you add to our lady here? Maybe a stylish hat or a classy scarf. Don't be afraid to get creative. Every change is a chance to make our cat even more perfect. Great job, you purry little peep. Those lines are looking fantastic. With every line, we're closer to the finish and to adding some cool colors. I can already picture how awesome it's going to turn out. We've done an awesome job once again. Grab your favorite colors and get to coloring. You can even peek at mine to see how it turned out, for a little extra inspiration. And no worries, there's always more free and fun videos waiting for you at scribblepeeps.com. Bye.